Welcome back to Beyond Blue. Today we're going to be exploring Villa Serenity. This is one of my personal favorites. It has absolutely everything. Let's go take a tour. So as you enter, you're greeted by these expansive ocean views. We are in one of many living rooms. This is the perfect space for friends and family just to relax, disconnect, and enjoy being in Marbella. And now we're heading into the kitchen, which is amazing if you want to enjoy a Sunday brunch with your family and friends. And if you don't feel like cooking, Isle Blue can organize a private chef for you. Okay, so this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. It's the master suite. So we've got a giant walk-in wardrobe, a huge bed, and not to mention an egg-shaped bathtub, which I love. In the morning, just imagine waking up to the sun rising, having a cup of tea out on the balcony. It is absolute bliss. So there are 3 bedrooms of 6 on 4 levels. Now, if you don't want to take the stairs, then you can just hop in the lift. And if you don't mind, I want to show you one more gorgeous bedroom. Check it out. So now we're on the rooftop terrace. We've got a bar, we've also got another dining area and barbecue, and if you don't want to swim in the indoor pool and you don't want to swim in the outdoor pool, then we have this gorgeous infinity pool.